Okay, so round of applause again.
Yay!
Second dance. Ayan, nasa layo po kayo po muna dyan sa puno kasi they're going to use that tree later on. So second dance is what we call monkey dance or sayaw ng unggoy. What we call naman po as their on-stage dance. And that's their way to say welcome and thank you. So again, monkey dance performed by Kuya Greg, a.k.a. Asher. Sa po si Asher ng Pilipinas.
Yes. Ano ba yan?
Asher.
Asher.
So there's the movement ng mga monkey. They can also climb a tree very fast. Wag na kayo magtatuos sa binalakad.
Kuya, baka ka malaglag. Ah!
Ano ba klase?
Yay!
The dance nila is the most important dance of the tribe called the war dance or sayaw ng pagbabayani or binabayani. So if this misunderstanding arises between two tribes, before they proceed into a tribal war, they do that dance just to ask guidance to their god, called Apo Baliari, to have a victorious war. And then choosing Apo yung best dancer will be the best fighter that they will just send out for the battles or for the war naman po. So again, war dance or sayaw ng pagbabayani or binabayani, performed by Kuya Justin and Kuya Justin. So, ito po, a.k.a. Piolo Pascual and Justin naman.
No.
Okay, so watch out for the arrows po. Ito po yung mga arrows nila. So, pag narilis nila yan, ilag kayo. Sa paalam naman nila, kinatama.
Ano mo?
Ay, mga kalakad na sila may walking sa kanila. Ilag kayo ilag. Para isang picture, group picture na lang. Lahat na po.